Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Just got back from work. It is 5:30ish. Sorry if you hear weird noises in the background. My neighbors are playing music and this wall is very thin. I can hear them very easily. I can hear them talking sometimes. This is going to be a very wholesome vlog. I'm currently thawing some beef for Brendan and making a cup of tea. And the main reason for this vlog is that I have some major gardening to tend to, mainly harvesting my spinach, which is super exciting. But I've kind of let it get out of control. I'll take you guys outside so you can see. Sorry, the AC unit's kind of loud. So, starting over here, I have watermelon. This is all watermelon. And I do actually have a couple flowers starting. It's a little prickly, but it's looking good and I'm very excited. I hope these produce nice, juicy watermelons. And then I've got bunching onions over here, which probably also need to be harvested at least a little bit, you know, because they're a little crazy. And then my spinach, which is absolutely out of control. I need to trim all of this down. I'm going to trim all this down nearly to the bottom so it can start to kind of regrow. Oh, look at the little sprouts down in there. And this is actually basil, which is funny because I killed this basil and depotted it and put it in here just because I had some extra room and it survived somehow. I believe underneath a lot of this is also some rosemary. Yep. Oh wow, wait, oh my gosh. You guys, look. My rosemary has gotten a lot bigger than I realized. And there was parsley down here, but it died. And maybe we'll encounter Mr. Lizard. There's a green lizard and a black lizard that both live somewhere in my garden and, as you can see, eat a lot of my crops, but I don't mind sharing. So yeah, I'm gonna harvest some of my stuff and I hope you guys enjoy this wholesome little vlog. Just a little bit of spinach. Just a little bit. What's sad is that because I let this overgrow so much, I'm actually not going to get that much good quality spinach out of it. Because a lot of these leaves are small and or dead. You're fine, just go. I'm just trying to be quiet for my YouTube aesthetics.
Hello.
But because I was not good at gardening, probably not going to get that much good spinach off of it, which is a little sad. I would love for some people with better green thumbs than me to correct my techniques in the comments. Let me know everything I'm doing wrong. I'm fully prepared to be roasted. Pretty sure I'm not even gonna be harvesting this spinach correctly. But you live and you learn, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, see, this is what I mean. Like, I had really nice full spinach leaves, and now I have these puny baby things because the good leaves are oftentimes towards the bottom, and I let it get way too high, and the full leaves at the bottom couldn't get enough sun and they done died. If anyone has any good recipe tips for how to use the rest of spinach plants, let me know. I'd be very curious to find out. How'd that taste?
Good.
Ooh, guys, look! This one has a good leaf. Look how good that leaf is. Wow. Tell me in the comments, what is your most wholesome hobby? I would say that gardening is probably my most wholesome hobby, but it's not like my top hobby, which is why my plants come out looking like this. I would say second to this, my most wholesome hobby is probably my crafting stuff, which I've only recently gotten into. Also, I've only recently gotten into gardening. I feel like it just happens when you're older. Your hobbies get more wholesome and more boring, but also more exciting because you're an adult and can do cooler things. You want some spinach? Blah.
Gross, Mom. How dare you?
You guys, I was picking the second half to harvest, and I looked up and I like jumped. I didn't realize that black salamander has shown himself. Or lizard. Look how cute he is. You guys, no way. I don't know if you saw that in the background of the video. Wait. Oh my gosh, I think he changes colors. Unless he literally just moved, because that is 100% green salamander. Oh my gosh, is he changing colors? Guys, I didn't realize he was a color changing salamander. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I've been calling them black and green salamander. It's just one salamander. Or lizard. I don't 100% know. I don't know why this is so important to me, but it is, apparently. It's seriously moments like this where I wish there was smell-o-vision, because guys, this basil smells so good. And I'm just proud that I killed that and somehow accidentally brought it back to life. Green thumb, am I right? Babe, it's not a black salamander and a green salamander.
What?
It's not a black salamander and a green salamander.
What do you mean?
It's a color-changing one.
It's not.
It is.
Big salamanders don't live near here.
Do you want me to show you?
Yes.
I have video evidence. I have video evidence.
It's not the same lizard. It's not a chameleon.
I know it's not a chameleon, but it's color-changing, and now I have the evidence to prove it. Hey, after all that, this is our final bountiful pickin'. And my counter is a mess. All right, now I gotta wash it, obviously, because I don't want to ingest any bugs or anything. Speaking of bugs, guys, see, this is why I should probably figure out a natural pesticide situation, because this is like a whole, is that a roly-poly? I haven't seen one of those since I was a kid. Definitely need to make sure I thoroughly wash this. I'm gonna put some lemon juice in here, maybe that'll help. All right, you guys, because I'm impatient, I'm gonna go ahead and cook my spinach. Also, because I'm pretty sure I only have enough once cooked down for about 2, maybe 3 servings. So Brendan and I are just gonna have some spinach tonight. Teensy bit of oil. That looks like a lot, but this comes out really slow. And some salt and pepper. Smells good. That's mainly the oil though. I don't know what it is, but there's something so cool and prideful, which is sad considering this is how we've always been as humans, but there's something so nice about taking something that I grew in my garden and picking it and preparing it. Back on Mother's Day, I actually made spinach and artichoke dip with all spinach from my garden. And it was just so nice to be able to say, this was a labor of love, because not only did I make this, but I planted it, I grew it, I cut it, and I made it for you. I don't know. It's just really nice. All of that for 2 tiny little bowls of spinach. Time to taste test. Okay. Time to try. Brendan's being a poo-poo head because he doesn't really like spinach.
Just wanted to be honest with her before friggin' like, bleh. Are we going down there?
I'm going down here.
Okay.
Just because I don't feel bad about being...
Wow.
Oh, I'm struggling. This is not working. I'm just gonna hold it. Hopefully there's no bugs in it. It tastes like spinach.
No, well, yeah. It does taste like spinach. It does taste like spinach. Maxie, do you want somebody?
Well, anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed the most wholesome vlog. Can you tell I put too much water in the pan? Literally dripping. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of this wholesome harvest and eat with me. Are you done?
Just for now.
Okay. Oh wow. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit the like button down below if you did. Also hit the subscribe button to hang out with me more on the channel for more wholesome content, Disney content, home related content, all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.